Volunteers build relationships with communities. Election after election, they slowly expand. It's expensive, it's slow, and it often takes decades before the public even notices. But what if someone accidentally built all of that before entering politics? That changes everything. For years, Vijay's fan clubs were dismissed as groups of movie lovers. People assumed they existed to celebrate film releases, put up banners, organize birthday events, and cheer for their favorite actor. But beneath the surface, something much more powerful was taking shape. These weren't isolated fan groups. They had local leaders, district coordinators, volunteers, communication channels, community activities, blood donation drives, relief work during floods, educational assistance. Public service slowly replaced simple fan culture. Without calling it politics, these groups were learning something every successful political organization depends on: how to mobilize people. When a volunteer knows every street in a neighborhood, when local residents already trust that volunteer, when they can gather hundreds of people within hours, you've built something far more valuable than popularity. You've built infrastructure. And infrastructure wins elections, not speeches. Even the strongest organization cannot succeed if people aren't looking for change. Timing matters. For decades, Tamil Nadu politics revolved around two dominant political forces. Generations grew up watching the same rivalry. For older voters, those battles carried history, but younger voters experienced something different. Many weren't emotionally connected to political events from decades ago. Their priorities had shifted: employment, cost of living, women's safety, government efficiency, corruption. Whether those perceptions were fully accurate or not, many voters increasingly felt that politics had become predictable. Campaign promises sounded familiar. Election narratives repeated themselves. When established rivals began looking too similar, winning trust is one of the hardest challenges in politics. Most new candidates spend years introducing themselves, explaining who they are, convincing people they deserve attention. Vijay entered the race with an advantage that couldn't simply be purchased. People already knew who, not because they had read about him, because they had watched him for years. His face required no introduction. His name required no explanation. Recognition doesn't guarantee votes, but it dramatically lowers the barrier to getting people to listen. In marketing, this is called reducing customer acquisition cost. In politics, it means your first conversation with a voter begins much further ahead than everyone else's. Recognition opens the door. Organization brings people inside. Timing keeps them there. And that's when momentum begins. Momentum is powerful, but it also creates pressure. Large rallies generate excitement. Excitement attracts larger crowds. Larger crowds increase expectations, and expectations magnify every success and every mistake. During the campaign, setbacks and controversies tested whether public enthusiasm could survive difficult moments. Supporters saw resilience. Critics questioned readiness for governance. Both interpretations existed simultaneously. That is often the nature of democratic politics. The same event can strengthen support among some voters while raising doubts among others. Ultimately, citizens, not commentators, decide which interpretation carries more weight. And when election day arrived, that decision became clear. History remembers election victories. Citizens remember governance. Campaigns reward inspiration. Governments are judged by delivery. A political outsider enjoys one enormous advantage. They are not associated with old failures, but they also inherit an enormous challenge. Every promise now becomes measurable. Every delay becomes visible. Every appointment is scrutinized. Every decision shapes credibility. Winning power is the first examination. Using power wisely was the real one. Perhaps the biggest lesson from the story has nothing to do with Tamil Nadu or cinema or even politics. It is this: organizations are rarely built overnight. Most overnight successes spend years preparing while everyone else is watching something else. By the time the public notices the victory, the foundation has already been built. Whether this political experiment ultimately succeeds or fails will only become clear over the coming years. But one thing is already certain: the election wasn't decided on polling day. It was decided long before anyone entered the voting booth. And that may be the most important lesson of all.
If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe.